Cherry. And just in case you want to watch more such videos, like, share and subscribe. I asked you guys whether I should be showing you guys as to what exactly I packed for Goa, and I still don't know what you guys replied because I haven't posted a video yet. So in any case, I'm still going to show you what exactly I packed in this black bag I got. There are different kind of trips that I do. International, where I know that I have to bring back a lot of things, so I pack less. Or trips where I know that I'll be shopping a lot, or like just buying random things. Goa, I know I won't be buying anything, so I can be an overpacker or like just pack to that threshold कि ठीक है मुझे कुछ वापस लेके शायद नहीं आना है, अपने कपड़े ही वापस आने हैं. So the first essential thing which I always carry for my Goa trip is a freaking floaty. Like ये मैं कहीं और यूज नहीं कर सकती और मैं बाहर नहीं लेके जा सकती. It's like a watermelon floaty. I always carry it. I don't know if it's of any use. So next is like basic skincare and makeup stuff. I don't want to like tell you guys what exactly to keep because to each its own. You might like doing full face of makeup or someone likes doing no makeup. So just your choice. Honestly, I've kept some important things which you can keep are like sunscreens because it's important, beach vacation, lipsticks because even if you're doing makeup, not doing makeup, lipstick is something that just enhances your look and the entire outfit. And this reminds me that who doesn't want like youthful, radiant, glowy skin or like just healthy looking skin in general? On a vacation or not on a vacation, we all want like dewy skin, youthful skin with very very little signs of aging. So out of this entire lot, I wanted to recommend you one product which is the L'Oreal Paris 1.5% hyaluronic acid serum. All the good things for a product in your bag, and this is literally the #1 product in the USA, and a lot of dermats have been talking about the hyaluronic acid, and L'Oreal Paris decided to come up with their own version which is this little cute bottle. It's not like more hyaluronic acid or like less hyaluronic acid. It has the right percentage which is 1.5%, and it gives like intense hydration. The only reason why I'm keeping it in this bag is because I'm going on a beach vacation. The sand, the beaches, the water, if you're 25 plus, then alcohol, everything, it just makes your skin like very very dehydrated, and you need that sort of hydration. Plus, if you have watched my vlogs, I always let my skin breathe, and I'm just like, this is what I have, and make my skin look radiant by like literally 42%. It's so lightweight and non-sticky, and plus it can hold its own weight by 1,000 times in water. And honestly, go to any dermat. The dermat is gonna suggest you hyaluronic acid in your entire routine because it actually brings back your skin to life and reduce the dullness and makes your skin basically really really plump. And when you have this at home right with you, you do not really have to go to like different dermats to ask कि क्या करना चाहिए. Just 3-4 drops on the palm of your hands and you can gently massage it onto your skin. The key ingredient is obviously hyaluronic acid, so it makes your skin like just glowing. And people say that after a week you might notice it कि क्या हुआ, but I feel like after a day when you wake up, you will see like your pores are tight and there's just a different glow. It's not like me selling the product, to be honest. It's actually something I've noticed, so just wanted to tell you guys. And it comes in 2 variants, which is like 15 ml for like $4.99 and 30 ml for like $9.99. I'm gonna put all the details down below just in case you wanna check it out and get your own. Plus, it has no fragrance, no colorants, no alcohol. So yes, all safe. You know how people keep saying that doing makeup is a choice? I feel like not doing makeup can also be a choice. So I'm going from 24th to 30th, which means 6 days. So I'm gonna carry 3 night suits, 1 for 2 days. Generally how I think is like 6 days means like 12 outfits because 1 in the morning, 1 at the night, because beach, you don't know कब क्या खराब हो जाए. So 12 outfits की ही ज़रूरत है. But now you will see how big and overpacker I am. Gonna keep a lot of crop tops, bralettes and stuff like that. Like this, tube tops. These are like dry fit bralettes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13. Really, I do not need so many of them. If you have noticed, I've made like different pouches because it's easy for me to understand कि कौन सी चीज़ें कब क्या निकालनी है and पूरा bag खिलाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. So these are like old Shein bags, you know, if you have ordered from Shein you would know. I've kept them. So I've kept all my beachwear in this. Monokinis again. So I feel like I have a pear-shaped body and I feel like monokinis look better on me. Honestly, it's just a choice. You can wear what you want. And like some bikini tops. I haven't carried the bottoms because they're like all low-waist bikini bottoms and I like high-waist bikini bottoms. So I'm not even keeping it because yeah, like I can still wear these with like shorts and stuff. And I only have one high-waist bikini bottoms which are like this. So इसी को मैं सबके साथ पहन लूँगी. Like I don't wanna like experiment. So these are like 6 swimwear. Again, not required. I know that, you know, Instagram pictures are important or like anything, but I'm not gonna dress up in an uncomfortable manner because I wanna spend the entire day in one outfit and I wanna be comfortable. So मैं uncomfortable चीज़ें रखती ही नहीं हूँ. So for all the bralettes and for all the bikinis and everything that I have kept, the easiest way to style them and to be comfortable in the humidity and heat is to wear freaking shorts. So I have kept shorts like check shorts or a high-waisted, trust me, day shorts, denim shorts, white denim shorts. Like if we are going to a proper place, bralettes and all, I can style it in any way, like with proper earrings and stuff. So I've kept a few pants. These are like cotton linen pants, loose pants, white and green I've kept. They're like harem pants if you have seen my Sarojini video, denim skirt. So I randomly took like these pictures on my phone that अगर मुझे जाना हो, मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा कि इसमें से भी क्या पहनूं, ऐसे मूवमेंट्स आ सकते हैं, तो मैं अपने कैमरा खोल के देख सकती हूँ कि हाँ मैंने ये ट्राई किया था. एंड यू कैन पेयर लाइक white pants with like black crop top. It's simple but still I clicked a picture. My brain doesn't work at times. One thing which I have carried is this, it's like a bathrobe but not a bathrobe, and this is like a cottonish bathrobe. I've kept it because like, for example, I'm wearing a monokini and I want to go from my room to my villa ka swimming pool. So you can't just randomly walk naked. Like you can walk naked, but like I've just kept this like bathrobe sort of thing. Like it has a cover up so that you're coming out of the pool, you can just wear it. Just one is fine. And I've kept a lot of cover ups which are like these blazers kind of sort. You can take like prints, plains, whatever you want. Now if you're riding a scooty or like if you're going to the beach or in general you're wearing like something really short and you just need a cover up at least just for the to and fro from your hotel to the place or from your villa to your place, you need something, so you can wear these cover ups. I feel like it looks really cool with like shorts, a bikini top and like a shrug, because like you never know, like for example you need to stop at the market to buy something. Yeah, I mean you can still walk around in a bikini top, I'm not saying that, but just in case, you know, I'm just like your elder sister, you never know, you might just want to take a cover up because you don't know in which situation you are in. So a cover up always helps. So I've kept like long white shorts, floral cover up, and this funny looking cover up which only looks good on a vacation, which is like this, I don't know this material, but like a cover up. It looks really good when you're at the beach, but if I wear it in Delhi I'll look like I don't know what. Old dress which is a Holi outfit because मैं होली में वहाँ हूँ तो मैंने ये रख लिया. Safety t-shirt. Now everything if you notice are like crop tops, bralettes, everything like is short. Now again I'm like just a badi didi telling you guys that what if there is a situation where you know you just, it's not like you cannot, but like what if you are stuck somewhere, you don't want to wear a bralette and like God forbid any situation you don't want to wear that, and then again you don't have anything else, so on such, or maybe like you're sick, you don't want to like dress up, or like in the flight you're like, I don't know, like there can be any XYZ situation. So I always carry like an extra t-shirt because you can wear it with pants and you will be all covered up and safe. So one extra outfit is always important. This is a cord set, a tie-dye long t-shirt and you know, tights. I'm carrying this because I'm going for bungee jumping in Goa, so I don't want to wear like shorts there. I think वाओ, क्लियरली ये बैग बंद नहीं होगा मैंने जितना कंफर्टेबल रहो उतना सही है. मैंने सिर्फ ये स्कार्फ रखे. I'm not gonna wear a freaking scarf top out of it because people are like, let's wear a scarf top. I really want to see those people who actually wear it outside apart from Instagram. But these are like just bandana sort of thing. I'm just gonna put it and act cool. And lastly are these like dresses which I thought I'll keep, but there's no freaking space in this suitcase. I don't know, it's been ages. It's been ages I haven't been to a vacation, it feels like. So I kept like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again, 7 dresses, you don't need it. Everything that I thought I'll be packing apart from chappals, just gonna carry 2 chappals. One is like a beach chappal, गीले होने से भी फर्क नहीं पड़ता, and normal one chappal I've ordered which has not arrived. And so I feel like if I remove my freaking floaty, I might be able to close this bag. All of these clothes because I'm like, I really want to wear these clothes. That's why I'm like, ये भी रख लो, वो भी रख लो. It's 16. 16 minus 2 is 14. I'm going to remove a few bralettes and 1 or 2 dresses. But you get the point, right? What exactly you can keep and what you can keep. Yeah. So if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. You can like this video, comment down below as to what exactly should I take it out. I think I'll be in Goa by then, but still you can tell me what you feel. And subscribe to my channel, it would mean a lot to me, and I will see you in Goa. Bye!